I want to check. I'm gonna put my hand here by the transfer case. Do it again. Put it in the back of the diff and I can still lock forward. Yep. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna be, if you take it to a shop, I'll guarantee you a couple $1,000, $25. I've done in the shop for the charge more. And they're not gonna but right now I could get there's an RPO tag on the glove box. Here, let me see.